Hey beauties, if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and do not forget to subscribe because you're gonna love it here. I guarantee you're gonna love it here, so subscribe. I know I have not posted in about 2 months, but I'm trying to make up for it, okay? I am trying to make up for it, and today, as you can tell by the title, we have a Temu haul. These purchases from Temu are my very first purchase ever from Temu. I've always been a little skeptical, a little scared to order from Temu, only because in the past I've always heard negative remarks about Temu, but it looked like Temu has stepped up their game, and I wanted to see what's tea. So baby, enough with the talking, let's go ahead and get unboxing and review these products because I'm a little anxious. I am doing a little home makeover, nothing big. I'm just changing up my room, and I am changing up the bathroom. So I'm going to show you the items that I got for my room, and also some of the items that I have for my bathroom, for my guest bathroom. All right, so the first thing I got from Temu, I'm scared. Okay, so, well, first off, let me go ahead and show you the box. So this is the box. It is a portable LED table lamp. This is she. And I wanted a lamp that didn't require any type of cords. So we're gonna see. From the review, it appeared to be bigger. I thought it would have been bigger, but it's a little small, so I don't know. We're gonna see. It is super small. Look at this. It is, okay, let's just, oh, it just turned on. Hallelujah. Okay, oh, okay, I see. So it has a little button right here. You touch it. Oh, okay. And let there be light. All right, so you turn it off. Okay, I see. So this kind of gives crystal, and it's pretty thick. It gives crystal. And this, it feels, it's heavy, but not heavy. It feels, it's lightweight, but it doesn't feel cheap. Okay, so this is actually cute. I think this might work. Because like I said, I wanted something in my room. I wanted a lamp, but I didn't want a lamp with a cord. So I don't know. I'm gonna see how this look in my room, only because it's not as big as I would have liked it, but it might work. Let me show you again. So this is a little button, one tap to turn on. This is a light. Another tap gives you like a white light, and then another tap, and then the last tap, it just turns it off. It does come with a USB cord. Is that what you call this? A USB cord, so you can charge it right here. Back here, you just plug it up. Let me see. Okay, you plug it up, you let it charge, and I actually got 2 of them for both of my end tables. So yeah, this is cute. I mean, I like it. It's small, like I said. Oh God, shit. It is small, but girl, can you stop turning? Hell, like I said, it is small, but I think it might work. Let me just turn the shit off. Hold on. I will say it is very touch sensitive. Okay, any little doop turns it on, but it's cute. What y'all think? What you think? I like it. The next thing I got from Temu are these floor rugs for my guest bathroom. I'm thinking about, well, not thinking, I am going with like a boho look. So this is the rug that I got from Temu. This is the long one, and then it comes with a short one. And the material, it feels pretty good. This is the front part, and this is the back. And I think this is like the slip-proof rug, and it kind of feel like it back here. It kind of give like a rubbery texture, but not really. But I think these are super cute. I think it's gonna look really nice in the bathroom. And I believe this was about $14 and some change. I will try to have all the links in the description just in case you're interested and you want to purchase any of these. I got you. All right, the next thing that I got, I wanted a mattress cover. I think, is this? Yeah, I wanted a mattress cover, so we got that. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it. This is she. Oh, the material feels really good. It feels really good. Okay, I ain't mad at it. And it comes with a zipper which I love. Because sometimes when you put like sheets, any type of bedding, well really sheets, it tends to slip off. Well, at least with my bed, they tend to slip off. Yeah, I love the fact that it does have a zipper, which is what I'm used to. I've had sheet covers in the past and they did come with zippers, but I did see some that didn't come with any zipper. It had like a little rubber band at the ends that you just connect to the bed at the ends. But I didn't want that because I'm like, I just felt that would like come out of place. So I like the fact that it comes with the zippers and it's pretty big. I don't want to let it fall to the ground. Yeah, it's pretty big. I mean, I do have a king size bed, so, and this is I did get the king, and I'm hoping it does fit, because for some reason, when you get a bed that's like a queen size, if you get queen size bedding, it don't fit perfectly. If you have a bed that's king size, you get the king size bedding, it doesn't fit perfectly. So normally I like to get a size bigger, but I went ahead and I got the king. So I'm hoping I don't have a struggle, and I'm hoping it fits perfectly. Crossing our fingers. Now this, I don't remember what it is. I want to say it's a painting probably, but I can't recall. Let's see. Oh, yep, it is. It's a little smaller than expected, but that's my fault because I didn't really know what size to get, to be honest. So I should have measured where I'm gonna put it prior, so that way I would have had a better idea on the size to get. But we might make it work. This is she. Oh, and it comes with a little, I guess, tools to put it on the, I don't know what it's for. I'm guessing it's to hang it, but we're gonna probably most likely use command strips. We're probably gonna just use command strips. But let me just take it out the wrap. And the look that I have for my room, I'm going with boho as well. So my bathrooms will be boho style, and my room will be boho as well. Oh, she cute. She cute. And it says, lose your mind, find your soul. She is cute. I love her. I love her. I love her. I mean, like I said, I wanted it to be a little bit bigger, but she might do. She might do. We're gonna make it work. The reason I said is we're gonna make it work is because one thing about me, I don't like returning shit. I don't be having time to return stuff. I don't know. I will lose my money before I return something, or I'll give it a rate. I just don't like to deal with the hassle of trying to return something. Ooh, okay, this might be a game changer. So I got me a veggie slicer. As you know, I'm always in the kitchen, and I be having things to cut, and it's very time consuming to cut everything by hand. So I did get this. I got this. So let's open it up because I want to see the quality. I want to see if the quality is on point. Well, it's pretty big. Okay, so this is she, and it's actually a good size. Let's see. Okay, we have this. So I guess you put your veggies or whatever in here, and you press it down, and then you have this as well. I don't know what this is for. We have this, and we have these as well. To look at the videos to see which is for what, because I don't know. I ain't never used this before. But yeah, but I like this, and the quality feels really good. It doesn't feel cheap whatsoever. Yeah, it doesn't feel cheap. I like. All right, so this is a good purchase. I like it, and like I said, it doesn't feel cheap. I really like it. I don't know how it's going to perform when I use it to cut up stuff. So far, just by the feel and the look of it, I would say it is worth it. It's me just buying stuff, and I don't know what's what. Like, what is this? I don't even know what this is, child. Let's open it. Just me buying shit just to buy shit. I mean, honestly, I do need this type of stuff because I do cook. I'm in the kitchen a lot, so this is something I do need. So I did get these gloves, some black disposable gloves that I got. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it just to kind of see. And I did get this in large, and the reason I got in large is because my nails are long, so if I got medium, when I put them on, they would rip or probably don't fit properly. So I got this in large, and we're gonna just test it out. Not as thick as other gloves, which I'm not mad at that, but I don't know if it's going to not rip because it ain't thick. But I like the fact that it's not thick. All right, so let's see. Okay, and it fit perfect. I like it. Okay, and it fits good. It fits good. Although I have my nails, I still have a little space up here where I could just pull it up a little, but it fits perfect. If the glove don't fit, you must acquit. Ain't that what they say for OJ? Never mind, child. All right, now we are moving on to this. This is something else that I don't even know what it is. I don't remember what I bought. Just be spending money, just to spend money. Now I remember. Do you remember the time when we fell in love? Do you remember the time? This is for my room. Again, I am going for a boho look. So don't do that, don't be rude. So I did want some new paintings for my room over my bed. And this comes in 3. So I'm gonna show it to you. Oh, hold on. Okay, the sizing is perfect. I like the size. So these are some leaves, and this is gonna go over my bed. Again, we're going for a boho look, okay? We're going for a boho look. This is the second one, and this is the third one. These are super nice. We're gonna open them so you can see how I look out of the plastic. Rip me out of the plastic, I've been acting brand new. This is so pretty. And the quality is nice. Okay, Temu. I see you, Temu. I see you, girl. I ain't mad at you. Temu, what did you do? This is the other one. Okay, Temu, we go together real bad, it look like. Me and Temu look like we go together real bad. Cause girl, why you couldn't be raggedy so I ain't gotta go back? Now you finna make me go back. You knew what you was doing, manipulator. Okay, this is the last one. These are super nice. Okay, so far so good. Last but not least, we have the big boy. We have an air fryer. Did I need a new air fryer? Dun, 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 no, not really. But my old air fryer, it was getting a little old. It was getting a little crusty. And I'm the type of person, when my stuff start getting crusty in my house, babe, I'm gonna get rid of it, okay? Even if I clean it, it just don't feel the same. You feel me? It just don't feel the same. So we went and got a new one, and it wasn't even that much. At least not to me. I believe this was about like 43 bucks. Baby, $43 is a lot, okay? Especially in this economy. So girl, just don't lie. Anywho, let's go ahead and open it. She is sexy, okay? I'm finna name her Blackiana, okay? Cause she is, baby, do you see her? Do you see her? You see how big she is? She is much bigger than my old one. My last one was a little, you know, it was a little fella, but this is Big Mama. Call her Big Mama. It came with this little pamphlet, you know, if you need instructions on how to use it. I'm probably not going to use this because I'm horrible when it comes to reading instructions. I don't be want to read shit. I don't be want to read instructions. I'll be ready to just start pressing buttons and whatever happen. Do you see her? Oh, damn. What the fuck? Oh, it's tape. My bad. It is huge and I love it. I love it. I love it. This is the inside. It is huge. This was a great purchase. I love it. I am satisfied with everything that I purchased from Temu. I am blown away. Okay, I am blown Oh wait, that is all for the haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you shop at Temu, because baby, this is my first time and it will definitely not be my last. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will have the links in my bio, so that way if you're interested in any of these products, you can go ahead and purchase them. Thank you again for tuning in. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, because why? Sharing is caring. So make sure you're sharing. And until the next one, my beauties, love ya. Bye.